Bitcoin holds above $19,000, Ether dips below $1,300. Mango markets will soon start returning stolen funds from $114 million exploit. Indian cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar enters world of NFTs with Rario investment. Kraken crypto exchange is next to close doors to Russian users. Elon Musk's Tesla hangs on to all its remaining $218 million in Bitcoin in Q3. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Crypto markets were trading lower on Wednesday and continue to trade in a consolidation mode as investors wary of Fed over-tightening and recession. Bitcoin continued to hold above the $19,000 level. And now let's see how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Cryptocurrency market continues to register a decline for the second consecutive day as overall market is facing a major sell-off due to hawkish macroeconomic conditions. Key officials of the US Federal Reserve delivered important speeches in the past couple of days and also reaffirmed the importance of curbing inflation rates in the economy. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.60% at 27,470 points. The global cryptocurrency market cap dropped 0.40% to $921 billion in the last 24 hours. Also, the total trading volume declined 17% to $44.50 billion. The target interest rates in the US are expected to climb in November rate setting meet post which the focus shifts to the December meet, analysts believe. All three major US stock indexes lost ground while the benchmark treasury yield shot up to touch a new 14-year high. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.33% to 30,423.81. The S&P 500 dropped by 0.67% to 3,695.16 and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 0.85% to 10,680.51. A sell-off in the US government bonds pushed the benchmark treasury yields to its highest level since the mid-2008 on expectations of continued aggressive interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. Bitcoin was trading at $19,174, down 0.50%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.80%, trading at $1,295. Ethereum whale investors have continued to accumulate the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Data from Sentiment shows that since September 11, Ethereum whale addresses that hold 1 million or more ETH have collectively added 3.5 million more coins. The addition marks an increase of 14% to the ETH holdings of the billionaire whales during the period since the merge. Polygon Matic down by 3.30% to trade at $0.84 and Solana Sol was down 2.8%, was trading at $29. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $15, lower 2.30%. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1.5% to trade at $0.35. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.20% at $0.000010. Polkadot was down by 0.40% to trade at $6. BNB was up by 0.2% to trade at $272. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.80% at $0.059. Last on the list, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.46, up by 0.80%. And now back to the headlines. Mango Markets, the decentralized crypto exchange which suffered an exploit earlier this month, will soon start returning the funds stolen during the $114 million exploit. The DEX had earlier said that its decentralized autonomous organization, entities that are owned and governed by their members without any central leadership, would vote on how to return the funds to users. A group of exploiters drained the marketplace of $114 million worth of crypto by manipulating the price of the DEX's native token MNGO. One of the apparent exploiter, Abraham Eisenberg, came forward last week and said that the group had returned $67 million to the Solana-based exchange. Sachin Tendulkar, nicknamed the God of Cricket and one of India's most celebrated sportsperson, has made his first foray into the world of non-fungible tokens, partnering with digital collectibles platform Rario, according to a press release. Tendulkar will be a strategic investor in Rario, an NFT platform focusing on cricket. Iconic moments of Tendulkar's life and career in the form of official NFTs will now be exclusively available only on Rario.com. Tendulkar is Rario's biggest catch after securing exclusive partnerships with other famous cricketers including Aaron Finch, Faf du Plessis, Rishabh Pant, Virender Sehwag and Zaheer Khan. Rario has secured partnerships with several cricket boards, major tournaments, and has a roster of over 900 international cricketers. Polygon Studios and Animoca are partners of Rario. The platform has sold over 150,000 NFTs since 2021. Kraken is the latest cryptocurrency exchange to restrict accounts of Russian users on its platform in compliance with sanctions from the European Union. On October 19, Kraken sent out email statements to its Russian clients to announce that the exchange is halting services to its Russian customers. Kraken did not specify whether there is a time limit to withdraw the funds from the exchange for Russian citizens. By restricting Russian users on its platform, Kraken joins the increasing number of global crypto exchanges and wallets like blockchain.com, crypto.com and local bitcoins that have stopped servicing Russians in compliance with the latest EU sanctions against Russia. Electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla has made no further changes to its remaining stash of Bitcoin in the third quarter of 2022 despite nearly a $1 billion sell-off in the previous quarter. The company's Q3 report shows $218 million worth of digital assets remains on its balance sheet with no reported losses in the value of its holdings. Based on current prices, it's estimated that Tesla still holds around 9,720 Bitcoin. In Q2 earnings report, Tesla said it sold 75% of its Bitcoin during the quarter, adding $936 million in cash to its books and recording a $64 million profit from the sale. Tesla CEO Elon Musk explained at the time that the sell-off was due to liquidity concerns from the COVID-19 lockdowns in China. Overall, for Q3 2022, Tesla posted $3.3 billion in profits, attaining revenues of $21.45 billion, which reportedly fell short of analysts' expectations and saw Tesla's stock price fall by nearly 14% in after-hours trading. And now let's go to Ruchi to get an update on the three buzzing stocks of the day. FTT prices dropped 2% as FTX sent 50,000 Ethereum worth about $65 million to Voyager Digital's main wallet. The transfer is suspected to be linked to the $1.4 billion asset acquisition. This includes $60 million in earnouts, incentives, and an extra $51 million cash payment. Some regulatory bodies have raised objections to sell Voyager assets to FTX US. These include the Texas State Securities Board and the Texas Department of Banking. Furthermore, investors have expressed concern about FTT's low volatility as they wait for gains. FTT was trading at $22.62, down by 1.20% with a market capitalization of $3 billion. Axie Infinity prices have dropped significantly, representing a 74% drop from peak levels seen just 10 months ago. Axie Infinity has reported a significant loss of players in recent months. The game's popularity has dropped below the level reported for January 2021 with approximately 701,000 average monthly unique players over the last 30 days.
The non-fungible token-based game lost more than 62% of its average unique monthly users between September 2022 and September 2021, falling from 1.955 million to 739,000. AXS has fallen from around $100 at the start of the year to $10.53. AXS was trading at $10.2, down by 5.01% with a market capitalization of $8 million. Ethereum whale investors have continued to accumulate the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Data from Sentiment shows that since September 11th, Ethereum whale addresses that hold 1 million or more ETH have collectively added 3.5 million more coins. The addition marks an increase of 14% to the ETH holdings of the billionaire whale during the period since the merge. Despite the telling whale activity and new blockchain dynamics introduced by the merge, the price of ETH has continued to trade largely in the red. ETH is down about 6.21% in the last month.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.